Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw from Stash retirement account, only ways. Open the Stash app, verify your retirement account type, and prepare ID and account details. Next, check for any employer plan restrictions and ensure the distribution reason qualifies. You will then initiate the withdrawal request exactly as shown, review tax withholding options, and confirm the transfer method to your linked bank account for a smooth completion. Begin by confirming your account type on the Stash app and reviewing eligibility criteria for distributions. Check whether your reason for withdrawal triggers early withdrawal penalties or allows penalty-free access under IRS rules. Ensure your bank routing and account numbers are current and have a government ID handy for identity checks. Following these steps prevents delays and helps you choose the right withholding and transfer options when initiating the withdrawal. Start the withdrawal by navigating to Withdraw or Request Distribution in your retirement account menu on Stash. Select the exact amount, choose tax withholding options, and pick the linked bank for transfer. Carefully review the distribution summary, including any potential penalties or tax withholding, then confirm to submit the request. Save confirmation details and monitor your bank for the incoming transfer, and contact support promptly if anything looks incorrect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.